The Golgi apparatus, also called the Golgi complex or Golgi body, is a membrane-bound organelle found in all eukaryotic cells. Named after the Italian scientist Camillo Golgi, this organelle is one of the most fascinating and organized structures inside a eukaryotic cell. It acts like a packaging and dispatch center of the cell where proteins and lipids made in the endoplasmic reticulum are processed, modified, sorted, and then delivered to their final destinations. Let's zoom in to see what it looks like. In most eukaryotic cells, you will find it located close to the endoplasmic reticulum and the nucleus. Under an electron microscope, the Golgi apparatus appears as a stack of flattened membrane-bound sacs called cisternae. Usually, there are 4 to 8 cisternae in a stack, but in some cells like plant cells, there can be hundreds of Golgi stacks, often called dictyosomes. Each cisternae has a specific position and function. It has a cis phase, medial cisternae, and the trans phase. The cis phase is the receiving side. It faces the ER. Here, vesicles from the ER bring newly synthesized proteins and lipids to the Golgi. The medial cisternae are the processing zones. Here the molecules get modified, labeled and sorted. Sugars are added, some are removed and others are chemically tweaked. The trans phase is the shipping side. It dispatches the ready-to-use molecules in the vesicles to their destinations like lysosomes, plasma membrane or outside the cell. So the cis phase receives, the medial processes, and the trans phase dispatches, just like a smart supply chain system inside your cell. Each cisterna of the Golgi has its own set of enzymes responsible for specific chemical reactions. The membranes are smooth and do not have ribosomes, unlike the rough ER. The space between the cisternae is filled with small vesicles and tubules, constantly budding off and fusing, making it a dynamic, ever-moving structure. These vesicles act like tiny couriers that carry materials from the ER to the Golgi and from one cisterna to the next.